Alright guys, so we just pulled up to Delicious Tuning. We're gonna go check in, check out the FRS in the back. I believe it's in the back on the dyno already. And yeah, let's get some cool clips.
Yesterday, which was the like 240.
Okay.
91. It was hot in here yesterday, so I don't know maybe how much of an impact that had yesterday.
Yeah.
And then today you're at 323, 324.
Oh wow, nice. On it. I was expecting like 311. That's pretty cool. 320.
I was expecting 299, which because that's where you were at yesterday.
Yeah.
And today, like, yeah, the car like woke up today.
Really? That's awesome, man. 324.
No, those are good numbers.
Unfortunately, we're gonna be leaving the Mustang here overnight because I don't have another passenger to drive one of the cars home. It kind of sucks, but I'm probably just gonna come back tomorrow morning with Kai or something to pick the Mustang up. And tomorrow morning, we're gonna get started on the bag install for the Mustang. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, we got some bags for the Mustang. No springs, no coilovers, we're going straight bags. And I don't think you guys know how excited I am for that. Good morning, guys. It's a cold morning, so this should be a pretty interesting cold start right here. Hear my belt? This thing is squeaking so bad. 2 number 4s? Thank you. Dude, the freaking window's all wet. Dude, it's all wet. Oh my god. Oh, my traction is on. I knew that was gonna happen. Just hold it. Oh my god!
Oh, you're spilled too.
Bruh.
Bro!
Oh my gosh, dude, that was so funny. Bro, I looked over at your face. actually gonna drive the Mustang home because he's too scared, right?
I'm not driving.
You're too scared to drive it home? It's raining too, which is kind of sketch. Cool thing is we'll get to see the FRS being driven the whole way home. We got like an hour drive home, so it's gonna be dope seeing this thing driving. Ooh, that is loud. Damn. That sounds so good. I freaking love this. Seeing both cars right next to each other, like it's, oh my gosh, it's crazy. I still can't believe I have this car, like it's such a dream come true. Here's the car, started it all. Still love this thing to death, honestly. Alright, now turn, yeah. Oh, barely. Oh gosh. Bro, what the heck? Like once you switch over from the FRS to the Mustang, it feels so different. So I'm always like, I always need a little moment to like switch over and get used to it. Guys, if you haven't done it yet, get like one of your friends or somebody to drive your car and like watch it. It literally makes you like fall in love with your car all over again. I don't know, it just does something. It's so cool. I highly recommend it. Try it out. I was like mid-pool, I was about to do a pool. That was a long drive. This thing is empty. Pretty sure that thing is empty. He was popping this thing the whole way to get some E85 for this one. Is it low?
Huh?
Damn. The quarter tank ready? I really want to see how this thing sounds from the outside, because it's such a big difference from being inside of the car. It's much louder from the outside. Ooh. An unpainted bumper. Did it crash already? Already hit a crowd. Just kidding. It didn't. Until we finish the bag install for this. I think it's gonna look so sick, aired out and everything.